A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's
All right, everyone. We've got some extremely intense court hearings lined up for you today. And trust me, it's going to be quite a wild ride. Our first sovereign citizen, or maybe I should just call him a sovereign fool, is insisting that he's an entity rather than an actual person, and the judge's response to this ridiculous claim is absolutely priceless. The courts only recognize real individuals, so his argument doesn't even hold up from a legal standpoint. Let me know down in the comments what you all think about this complete circus of a situation. And if you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Now, let's jump right into it.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
a living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not in
No.
the etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Hannah here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a free trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 21st, 2020.
I honestly love watching this judge in action. His sarcasm is absolutely hilarious, and it's honestly the perfect way to handle these sovereign fools. You can literally watch them start to fall apart the moment he throws their own nonsense right back at them, and it's incredibly funny to see. I'll be posting the second half of this guy's hearings tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned because things get even more insane. But for now, I've got another hearing to show you, and this one is even more ridiculous. We've got another sovereign citizen here, and this guy is completely out of his mind. Let me know what you all think about it, and let's go ahead and jump right into it.
More?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I'm here on special representation.
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
Deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so what is your status? You a U.S. citizen of the United States?
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a sovereign citizen?
Honestly, I can't figure out whether this guy is pretending to be mentally unstable for the court or if he's actually just completely unhinged. It might even be a mix of both, like the deputy suggested. I genuinely have no clue what he hopes to achieve by claiming his name is more. Does he really believe the judge is just going to give up and let him casually walk out? It just doesn't make any sense to me. Personally, I think judges should shut these hearings down the moment people start pulling this kind of nonsense, or at the very least hold them in contempt for being so blatantly insincere. At this point, the guy is simply wasting everyone's time and turning the legal system into a joke. What do you all think? Should judges be stricter when dealing with this kind of behavior? Anyway, let's get back into it.
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put the bond. Y'all take him.
Feet up.
Asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, you might want to chill out.
To be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get two.
After that last stunt he pulled, I'm pretty convinced this guy might actually be mentally unstable. You've got the typical sovereign citizens who pretend to be clueless and ramble off nonsense. But this guy seems to be operating on a completely different level. It almost feels like he's trying out for some terrible reality show. Seriously, how are you supposed to reason with someone who believes the most basic laws simply don't apply to them? I also have to say, this judge has the patience of a saint for not just banging the gavel and shutting him down. Honestly, these Zoom court hearings feel like a huge advantage for these sovereign citizens. They can interrupt the judge, rant about their imaginary laws, and avoid the real courtroom atmosphere that might actually make them act differently. I also don't get how they think they can just say they don't consent to the law, as if that somehow means it doesn't apply to them. It's like someone getting pulled over for speeding and believing that by saying they don't consent to the ticket, the officer will just let them go. It's honestly ridiculous. These bogus legal theories have been disproven again and again, yet somehow they keep insisting that eventually it'll work. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap things up here. I'll be posting the second half of that first clip tomorrow, so keep an eye out for it. Let me know in the comments what you think about Zoom court hearings, because personally, I feel like the courts are way too lenient when it comes to these virtual sessions. Also, tell me whether you think these guys are just pretending to be crazy or if they might actually be mentally ill. And if you enjoy content like this and want to see more, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.